Hello and welcome to another Qlik Sense tips and trick video. I'm Shilpan Patel from analyticshub.io, where one and only one goal we have is to make you an awesome Qlik developer. In this session, we're going to go over some useful tips while creating maps in Qlik Sense. So before we begin, if you like our videos, we're adding videos weekly. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. We really appreciate that. Alright, with that, let's dive in and create a drill down map and also learn how to zoom in on a particular country, because many times you'll be asked to do so. So I have an app with a map, and as you see here, currently it has two layers. It has the area layer that shows country and the point layer that shows city. Now what we're going to do is to create a drill down dimension and use that so that when user clicks on a country, it will show all the cities that lie within the country. And we also will look at how to zoom in on a particular country. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create a drill down group using master items, dimension, create new. So let's change the focus to drill down, country, and city. And as you know, the order of dimensions in the list of drill down dimensions is very important. So make sure the country is first and city is next. And let's call it region drill down. And of course create. Now I'm going to change properties on the map. So first let's look at the area layer. Let's remove country and add the drill down dimension. And we're going to go down to options under layer display. Here we're going to just select country and unselect city. So that's our first layer. It will show just country and not show city. Now I'm going to change the point layer, remove this city dimension, and let's add the drill down dimension. And here also we're going to change the visible drill down levels to just city and not country. So you notice now city triangles disappeared. Now if I click done and click on one of the countries, let's say United States, and select that, then it shows different cities with cells, and the size of the triangle is proportionate to the cells amount. Now what if you just need to focus on the country, say for instance United States? In that case, you go back to the master items, drill down dimension, and let's edit that. So we're going to add a calculated dimension here. So instead of country, we're going to let's use wild match. And if match is USA, then just show country, otherwise do not show country. So with this, we're filtering country down to just one value, United States, and just apply. And there it is. So now if I click done and interact with the sheet, I'm only seeing United States. If I select that country, I do see cities with cells amount. So these are a few useful tips and tricks you can use in your application next time when you use map. Again, if you like what we teach, please visit analyticshub.io/academy and join our academy. We have a ton of courses, even in free membership. So thank you for watching, and until next video, have a wonderful day.